So you want to learn how to code, and all of a sudden you hear terms like integers, floats, strings, and you're trying to make a sense out of what a data type is. Not to worry, it's actually quite simple. So what are data types? Data types is how data is classified, as well as what kind of operations we can apply to that data. For example, we can have a whole number added to a decimal number, or we can have multiple words added together to create a phrase. In the same way, we can add a character to an existing word to create a new one. But it wouldn't make much sense to multiply a word by a number, right? That's why we need the concept of data types. All right, so what kind of data types are there? Some of the most common data types are Boolean, which can be a true or a false, a character, which is a single character that can be a letter, a symbol, or a single digit number. By the way, single digit numbers that are characters do not represent the actual value of that number. It's just another character. And there's also integers, which is positive or negative whole numbers, and floating points, which can be a positive or a negative decimal number. These are only a few data types that are available, and they're called primitive data types, which are the most basic form of data in a programming language, and typically come built into the language. There are also types created by programmers which follow their own rules, but more on that on future videos. And that's data types. For the most part, they work in the same way in at least the most popular programming languages. All right, guys, we're going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching the Python series, and see you guys on the next time.